Vanakkam, welcome to Good Food. Here you can find vegetarian and vegan food recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to cook Kollu thovaiyal. It's a traditional South Indian dish made from horse gram called as Kollu in Tamil. Many people think horse gram is for horse. A South Indian used to feed their horse with Kollu. But horse gram is a very healthy food for us as well. It is rich in nutrients and minerals like phosphorus, calcium, protein, iron. It has got some medicinal benefits as well, like you can get weight loss, good for liver, removes kidney stone, glows your skin. This food will increase your body temperature and reduces cold symptoms, improves your immune system. You can have this chutney with rice or as a side dish for Idly, Dosa or Rotty. Let's see the ingredients needed for this.
Today we are going to use 115 grams of horse gram. This is a horse gram. You need to wash it 4 to 5 times and you need to pressure cook it. No need to soak overnight. I'll show you the cooking process for the horse gram later. And the other ingredients are 10 to 12 small onions, 10 cloves of garlic. Today I've used big garlic. You can use small one, like approximately 15 to 16 cloves of small garlic if you want. 1 chopped tomato, 4 red chilies. If you want to add more chilies, you can add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 60 ml of gingerly oil, that's a sesame oil.
Let's see how to boil horse gram in pressure cooker. For 115 gram of horse gram, I'm adding around 350 ml of water. We don't have to worry about accurate measurement of water here, as we can drain the excess water once the gram is boiled. I'm adding the gram and water to the pressure cooker. Close the lid properly. Switch on the gas stove. Leaving the flame in high flame. Put the cooker right now. It might take around 15 to 20 minutes to get the cooker whistle. Once we get the whistle, we need to wait for 8 to 10 whistles. Meantime, we can do the other process of cooking.
Okay. Wait for this is the first whistle. In the meantime, we are going to get ready with the other ingredients. So as I said, I'm using 60 ml of sesame oil. I'm not going to use it right now. I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of sesame oil just to shallow fry this. Rest I'll show you later how to use the sesame oil. So let the oil get a bit heated. The oil is ready. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. That's the jeera. Going to add the red chilies to the stove. I'm doing all this in a low medium flame. Now I'm going to add the onions. This recipe has more medicinal values because I'm using sesame oil, small onions, garlic and horse gram especially. So they are very rich in medicinal values. I think Just fry it for a minute until the color has been changed for the onions. Can you see the onions? The onions colors have been changed. Now I'm going to add the garlic. So stir it for another minute so the garlic color changes. Now the garlic is spread. Can you see the garlic color has been changed? I'm going to finally add the I'm going to give 10 whistles for the horse gram. You need not worry if you give an extra whistle. So let the tomatoes be cooked now. Just wait for another minute, one more minute. So the tomatoes will be soft when it is cooked. Now the tomatoes have been cooked, it's time to take them out. So I have just switched off the cooker as pressure cooker as well. So the pressure cooker needs to cool down, and this as well should be cooled down to grind it. So when the horse gram is cooked, don't open the pressure cooker. Leave some time for the pressure to come down.
Now the gram is ready. We can remove it from the cooker. Pressure of the cooker has gone down and cooled little bit as well. You can check the gram whether it's cooked properly. It's soft. Drain the excess water into a bowl. We can use that to make a rasam, a soup, which is very healthy. Instead of making a normal rasam, tamarind rasam, we can use this excess water to make the rasam. Rasam will be very healthy and has medicinal value of horse gram as well. Now I'm taking a little bit of horse gram separately for making rasam. We can put some mashed horse gram into the rasam, so the rasam will have a thick consistency and the flavor of the gram in the rasam. I'm going to make the chutney using blender. You can use normal Indian mixie to make the chutney. Now put all the boiled horse gram into the blender jar. Add the fried onion, garlic, spices to the jar as well. Adding salt and half a cup of water. Close the jar and put on the blender. paste is ready now. Okay, heat the pan. I'm going to heat the oil we had. For seasoning, we can add mustard seed. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds into the pan. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. It has got medicinal and aromatic values. Put the groundnut paste. Mix them properly. Keep stirring them. Add a teaspoon of salt. Keep stirring. Don't stick to the bottom of the frying pan. Add some water. You can sort this for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't have to cook more than that because everything is already cooked.
It's ready. Let's switch off the flame now and transfer it to a bowl. You can eat this with rice or idli or dosa.
Now Kollu thovaiyal gram chutney is ready. We have cooked that. Let's try that with the rice now. So you can see the thovaiyal. It's a thick chutney kind of stuff. If you want, you can add a little bit of water to serve as a chutney with the idli and dosa. But if you want to take with the white rice, you can leave it a thick texture. Let me add some thovaiyal for taste now. I'm having rice with lady's finger shallow fried lady's finger. That will go very well with this dish. I will show the recipe for lady's finger shallow fry in another video. In Hindi they might say okra, or Tamil vendakai. We will show that in another video. That's very good. You can feel the taste in the tongue. Now your mouth will get watery, and it has got aromatic smell as well. Gram is packed with fibers, both soluble and insoluble. The high protein and fiber content of gram will keep you fuller for longer. Try our gram Kollu thovaiyal and leave your feedback. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.